Pull back and hold the paddle latch on top of the outer bowl lid. Flip over and insert paddle on the bottom of the lid. Install the frozen pint inside the outer bowl. Install the processing lid, ensuring the lines align on the lid and handle. Twist until you hear a click. Remove the paddle by pulling back the paddle latch. All removable parts can be hand-washed, but are also top-rack dishwasher safe. Ensure all parts are disassembled before placing them in the dishwasher. For deeper cleaning, you can remove the seal on the outer bowl lid. If your outer bowl is stuck after processing, try these solutions. Wait 2 minutes for any ice on the shaft to melt. After 2 minutes, try releasing the outer bowl again. Continue these steps until the lid releases. This may take some force. If the issue remains, it's likely due to buildup. To prevent this, use a damp cloth to wipe down your spindle after processing. If you still have ice cream remaining, you can refreeze your pint for later using the storage lid. Flatten the remaining treat contents before refreezing, in case you need to process them again.